A man selling his puppy at the airport takes his puppy back after seeing the buyer was about to put it into a cardboard box. The buyer pulled out a cardboard box, barely enough room for the dog to be able to turn around in, and he was about to take the dog as a carry-on to the gate. The buyer even offered more money to the seller to look the other way. But as a responsible dog owner, the breeder gave the money back and took his dog back.
You want some bullshit, man.
No, I can't let you fly like that, bro. I'm sorry. Like, if you had a, all right, now you turn it into something else, bro. You can't fly like that, bro.